This is how I solved my problem. It may not be the best solution. I urge you to do your own research to find your best solution. Here's the problem. The RV park had to shut down water for several hours to make repairs. So I filled my internal tank. Note the valve circled. We flushed the internal tanks a couple of weeks before and everything worked. To my dismay, the internal water system failed right when we needed it. Normally, I'm a big fan of keeping the same configuration and just replacing the defective with light parts. In this video, we will replace the pump, the strainer, and since the new strainer design is larger, it will require us to change some plumbing. This is the third pump over 14 years in my fifth wheel. The first one lasted 11 years. The second one just got out of warranty and failed. The new criteria from SureFlow is a flexible, high-pressure hose to be used to dampen the pump's vibration. Because of the original design is very impractical to implement SureFlow's new recommendations. I did do the best I could to come close to SureFlow and try to meet the limitations of the present design of my Alpha fifth wheel. We're going to replace these two joints, which we have X's through, and we're also going to replace the strainer, which we have circled. This is the new SureFlow strainer/filter. As you can see, our right angle fitting would not fit on the new strainer because it was longer. We did try to reposition the pump to make it better, but it just sucked a lot of air. There are some things to look out for. The pump was attached by these recessed square screws. You can use them over, but I found it very difficult to go around and find a particular bit or screwdriver that I would need for this, so I just replaced them with Phillips headed screws. Compromises had to be made here due to the physical constraints. Here's how I handled the plumbing changes. The elbow joint replaces the T-connector that went to the valve where you can fill the RV water tank. I wanted to retain the ability to fill the water tank while it connected to city water. The connection from the pump strainer to the 2-foot flex high-pressure hose, we used two adapters that would make a 90-degree turn so the hose would be straight with no tension at the far end. We would have the same two adapters, but it would be connected to a T-connector. I could have bent the hose to make a direct connection, but I felt that there would be more tension in the hose, causing more vibration from the pump. Unfortunately, a direct replacement adapter was not available. We will be road testing this fixed, and we'll either make another video and or put the results on my rvadventures.com blog. We may even put something on the text description on this video. I don't consider myself an expert. I'm a person who loves to take the family on an adventure in the fifth wheel. Repairs are costly. Warranties, if they do fix your problem, they do it in the most economic way, not in the best way. I like to fix my own problems. I try to make lasting fixes. I know the strengths and the weaknesses of my RV. However, my resolution will not answer most of your problems. I hope they do. I hope this helps out other RVers in some way. I'm Fred Tankersley. Thank you for joining us.